Imagine asking an AI a simple question. Within seconds, an answer appears on your screen. It feels almost magical. But behind that response lies one of the largest engineering systems ever built by humanity. Hidden from public view, giant AI data centers operate day and night, powering the artificial intelligence revolution. Our story begins with an empty piece of land. At first glance, it looks ordinary, a flat landscape stretching toward the horizon. But engineers see something completely different. They see the future home of one of the world's most powerful computing facilities. Before construction begins, survey teams spend months studying the site. Drones fly overhead, collecting precise measurements. Engineers analyze terrain conditions. Geologists drill deep into the ground to understand soil strength and underground rock formations. Every detail matters because these facilities will eventually support thousands of tons of equipment. Once the planning phase is complete, the transformation begins. Bulldozers arrive. Excavators reshape the terrain. Temporary roads appear. Construction offices are built. What was once an empty field rapidly becomes one of the busiest engineering sites on Earth. The scale is difficult to comprehend. Unlike ordinary buildings, AI data centers require enormous foundations. Thousands of tons of concrete are poured into the ground. Massive reinforcement structures are installed. Underground utility corridors stretch across the site. Beneath the surface, workers install electrical conduits, fiber optic pathways, cooling pipelines, water systems, and communication networks. These hidden systems will become the backbone of the future facility. As construction progresses, giant cranes arrive. Steel columns rise from the foundations. Massive structural beams are lifted into position. Slowly, enormous server halls begin emerging from the landscape. Day after day, the project grows larger. Roads connect different sections of the campus. Support buildings appear. Utility infrastructure expands in every direction. From above, the site begins to resemble a small city rather than a construction project. But constructing the buildings is only the beginning. The greatest challenge still lies ahead, because an AI data center is not simply a building. It is a machine, a giant digital factory designed to transform electricity into intelligence. And powering that machine will require an engineering system unlike anything most people have ever seen. As the giant server halls continue rising from the landscape, another critical phase begins. Power infrastructure. Artificial intelligence consumes enormous amounts of electricity. Every AI model requires billions or even trillions of calculations. To perform those calculations, thousands of advanced processors must operate simultaneously. This demand creates an extraordinary challenge. To support the facility, engineers construct massive electrical substations. Giant transformers arrive on specialized transport vehicles. High-voltage transmission lines connect directly to regional power grids. Entire power networks are built specifically for the AI campus. Some modern AI data centers consume hundreds of megawatts of electricity. Future facilities may exceed 1 gigawatt. That is enough energy to rival the consumption of entire cities. But power creates another problem: heat. Every processor generates thermal energy. When thousands of processors operate together, temperatures can rise rapidly. Without advanced cooling systems, the hardware would quickly fail. To solve this challenge, engineers build enormous cooling facilities beside the server halls. Cooling towers rise above the campus. Industrial chillers are installed. Powerful pumps circulate coolant throughout the site. Miles of piping connect cooling systems directly to the buildings. Water continuously removes heat generated by the computing hardware. Many next-generation AI facilities now use liquid cooling technologies. Instead of cooling processors with air alone, liquid coolant flows close to the chips themselves. This method removes heat far more efficiently and allows processors to operate at maximum performance. As power and cooling systems near completion, another phase begins. The installation of the digital infrastructure. Thousands of server racks arrive. Workers position them with incredible precision. Fiber optic cables spread throughout the buildings. High-speed networking equipment connects every section of the facility. The data center slowly develops its digital nervous system. Row after row of empty racks waits for the arrival of the world's most advanced computing hardware. And soon, that hardware will transform the facility into one of the most powerful machines ever built. After years of planning and construction, the moment finally arrives. Commissioning day. Engineers gather inside control centers. Every cable is checked. Every cooling system is tested. Every power connection is verified. Then the activation process begins. Cooling systems start operating. Pumps circulate coolant throughout the campus. Electrical systems stabilize. Monitoring screens display thousands of real-time measurements. And finally, the first servers come online. Small lights begin glowing inside the racks. One section activates, then another, then another. Soon, thousands of servers illuminate the giant halls with a sea of blinking lights. For the first time, the AI data center is alive. But activation is only the beginning. Engineers now connect thousands of processors into massive AI clusters. Data begins flowing through the network at extraordinary speeds. Cooling systems ramp up. Power systems respond dynamically. Everything must operate perfectly. Weeks of testing follow. Engineers stress the infrastructure. They monitor temperatures. They measure performance. They verify reliability. Once testing is complete, the facility reaches full operational capacity. Now the real work begins. Inside these buildings, artificial intelligence starts learning. Massive AI models process enormous data sets. They analyze language, recognize images, solve scientific problems, generate predictions, and support technologies used by billions of people around the world. Every AI assistant, every recommendation system, every intelligent search result may rely on facilities like these. Today, companies are investing billions of dollars into even larger AI campuses. Future facilities may contain millions of processors working together. Some may operate alongside renewable energy plants. Others may connect directly to advanced nuclear power systems. The scale continues to grow. What began as an empty field has become a digital factory, capable of shaping the future of humanity, a place where electricity becomes intelligence, where data becomes knowledge, and where some of the most powerful machines ever created work around the clock. The next time an AI answers your question in seconds, remember, somewhere on Earth, inside one of the world's largest AI data centers, a digital giant is already hard at work.